For this, I'm starting with the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. Then create an even dry base by applying some translucent powder all over the lid. Apply brown shadow a little bit above the crease and into the inner corners of the eye around the brow. Then apply a little bit underneath as well. Don't worry if it gets messy, we're gonna clean it up later. Then go back over the lid only to the crease using black eyeshadow. Then clean up underneath the eye. I've learned that using a hydrating primer is great for cleaning up fallout. It cleans up any residue or corrects any mistake without overly drying out the skin, and it leaves a nice base for you to start over from without being greasy like other cleansers. Using a black liner pencil, line the top and bottom waterline of the eye. Then apply black eyeshadow over top to set the makeup. That's pretty close to the color I naturally tan to in the sun, using a foundation that's about 2 shades darker than my skin tone now. Now, here I'm using something that's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, as well as a corrector to cancel out any blue undertones. You can use a corrector if you feel you need it, but it's not totally necessary. Just make sure it's a little brighter than your actual skin. Then go ahead and powder all over with a color similar to the foundation you used. Then with a brightening powder, hit the high points. This would be underneath the eyes, the high points of the cheeks, maybe the bridge of your nose, the cupid's bow, your chin, and the thick part of your forehead. What am I trying to say? Here, this part of your forehead. Contour if you wish with a bronzer and apply your favorite blush. I'm really loving the Stila XXX mascara right now because it adds a lot of drama. And then go in with a nude lip liner. I'm using the Platform Lip Liner by Limecrime, and then going in with Tawney lipstick by Becca. Then you can add extra glamour to the look by adding a beauty mark, just like Cindy Crawford. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, you can always keep up with me on Instagram at Cici Andersen, on my website, ciciandersen.com. If you try the looks, please tag me in them. If you have suggestions for the next video, leave them in the comments below, or just hit like and subscribe and keep up.